If you're still meal prepping bland chicken breast in the oven, you're doing it the hard way. Let me show you this absolute staple. It's smoked, boneless, skinless thighs. I make these at least once a week because they're impossible to mess up, they stay juicy for days, and they work in every recipe imaginable. So why boneless, skinless chicken thighs? Well, you don't have to mess with the bone or the skin, which has a lot of fat in it, but they stay so juicy because they have perfect intermuscular fat content. And these, they're so good. I like to take boneless, skinless chicken thighs and season them up with something that's very versatile because I'm gonna be using these in a lot of recipes throughout the week. So today we are going to be using the boys at Barbecue Pit Stops. Love this combination of the Heath Riles Everyday Rub plus the competition rub. The combo of these two is amazing. So first thing first, we're gonna give it a little drizzle of olive oil and then simply season them up. Now you can lay these flat and do both sides, but I'm going to season them up. And kind of toss them around, make sure every surface is coated in that seasoning. Now, like I said, I do these at least once a week because they're easy to just grab from the fridge, slice up, throw in a salad, make a quesadilla, whatever meal prepping you need for these, they're so perfect and they're gonna maintain their juiciness. Unlike, a chicken breast where once you reheat them, they lose all their moisture and they're dry and they're tough. We're gonna give it a little bit more seasoning and the color's already beautiful from these rubs. Now that's all you need to do for meal prep, and now we're gonna put them on the smoker and let them do their thing. We are going to be using the RecTech Bullseye, and we're setting our temperature at 275 for the whole time. Now if you wanna go, 30 minutes at 180 to get an extra layer of smoke, you can do that. But I find at 275 for 90 minutes, it's the perfect amount of time to render down that fat and make these so delicious. Our thighs are done. They're gorgeous. You gotta check these out. They cooked for about 75 minutes at 275. And the nice thing with chicken thighs, they're finished at 165, but the texture's not gonna be what you want it. You want them to go anywhere from 175 to 185 to get that fat rendered down so that they'll have a better texture. And that's right where they're at. Now you saw how easy those were to make. Make smoked chicken thighs for week meal planning, infinite recipe ideas that you can put on a salad, make tacos, whatever. Make sure to head over to our website, www.barbecuepitstop.com, or any of our locations where you can find all of the ingredients we used here. You're gonna make these and love them.